Today we will be looking at how you can convert text to speech for free. So for this, you just go to your browser and type in naturalreaders.com. After typing this in, this is the home page you'll be greeted with. Just head over and click get started for free at the bottom of the page, and then just click next. And then over here you shall see, do you want to use Natural Reader for personal use or for commercial use? As for me, I'll just click for personal use, and then you wait for it to load. And then you can see they will say drag and drop your files or type, paste and edit text here. Just go over to ChatGPT and copy some text so that you can use. Let me just copy this paragraph. Just copy some text. Okay, sorry, let me copy it again. Just copy it, head over to the text to speech and paste your file there. As you can see the file, and then just go at the top of the page and click play. As you see, it will start to load.
Whispers of the Forgotten Forest.
And there it is.
In the heart of the ancient world,
you can see
before the rise
it will be read,
in the age of man,
and that is how you convert your text to speech for free. If you found this helpful, make sure you leave a like, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching and good luck.